Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Summer School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear student, today our lecture number 15, you see here, lecture number 15 and HW number 14. And today our topic is word problem. EMB page 94, 7, 12 and page 95, question number 19. Okay, these three word problems today I will solve. Okay, 7 number question, EMB post page 94, EMB page 94. Okay, that means EMB book, that means this book. Okay. Question number 7. Shumon bought a book of 48 taka and color pens of 36 taka. Okay. How much taka did he spend? That means suppose you bought a book for 48 taka and you again bought color pens of 36 taka. Then how much taka did you spend? How much taka did you spend? That means this concept is this word problem is the addition. Okay. Now write solution. The price of book, right? The price of book is how much taka? The price of book is 48 taka. Right here. Then the price of color pens. Right here. The price of color pens. Price of color pens. How much taka? Color pens is 36 taka. This is as this is division, addition. As this is addition, so you will put here addition symbol. Okay, question, how much taka did he spend? That means according to the questions, I want to write here, he spends in total 8 plus 6 equal to 14. You know 8 plus 6 equal to what? 8 plus 6 equal to 14. This is 14. You write here this 4 in here and you have 1 in your hand. So you add that 1 to 4. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Right here 8. Okay. Now write the answer. Answer 84 taka. Now I will solve the question number 12, which is taken from your book, page number 94. Okay, at first you read the questions. This question is very important for you. Look, Nasima bought books for 85 taka. She gave the shopkeeper a 50 taka note. Look, she gave the shopkeeper a 50 taka note. That means one 50 taka note and two 20 taka notes. Now, how much did she receive the cents? Okay, that means how much taka did she beg? That means how much taka did she beg from the shopkeeper? Okay, look, at first you write one note of 50 taka. You see one note right here. Solution: one note of 50 taka. This is equal to what? 50 into 1. That means what? 50 taka. Right here 50 taka. Then the second step, 2 20 taka notes. That means what? Two notes of 20 taka. You see here 2 notes of 20 taka. That means 2 notes of 20 taka. This means what? 20 into how many notes? 2 notes. So multiply 20 into 2. This is equal to what? 40. Right here 40. Now to draw like this way, this is addition. Okay. That means 1 note of 50 taka equal to 50 taka and 2 notes of 20 taka equal to 40 taka. Right? Yeah. In total how much taka? 0, 5 plus 4, 9. That means 90 taka. That means Nasima gave to the shopkeeper in total 90 taka. Okay. And the price of the books is 85 taka. Question: how much taka did she back, or how much taka did she receive the cents? Look, you write how much taka. You see a 50 taka note and 20 taka notes equal to what? 90 taka. That means right here Nasima gave to the shopkeeper how much taka? 90 taka. Right here 90 taka. And the price of books for how much taka? 85 taka. You see, bought books for 85 taka. Right here she bought books for how much taka? 85 taka. Right here 5 taka. Now you give this, and this is the subtraction. Now right here she received the cents. She received the cents. That means how much amount she back from the shopkeeper. Yes, she received the cents. That means what? How much taka did she back from the shopkeeper? Okay, now subtract. We cannot subtract 5 from 0, so you consider 0 as a 5, 0 as a 10. We cannot subtract 5 from 0, so you consider 0 as a 10. 10 minus 5 equal to what? 5. Right here 5. As you consider 0 as 10, so you have 1 in your hand. So you add that 1 to 8. That means 8 plus 1 equal to what? 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. No need to write here 0. Right here taka. Okay, now write here the answer 5 taka. Okay, now I will solve EMB page 94. EMB page 94, question number 9. Dear student, this question is so much easier, but you have to try to understand what is the meaning of the questions. Look, 19 number question. A person planted a sunflower. One day, the height of this sunflower was 18 centimeters. But it grew up to 85 centimeters in 3 weeks. That means up to 3 weeks, the sunflower grew up 85 centimeters. Okay, and the height of the sunflower was what? The height of the sunflower was 18 centimeters. Now the question, what is the question? How many centimeters did it grow in 3 weeks? Okay, that means you have to determine how many centimeters did it grow in 3 weeks. Okay, that means what? That means this is the subtraction. Okay, now write here, write up to up to 3 weeks, sunflower grew up to sunflowers, up to 3 weeks, sunflower grew how much? You see how much? 85 centimeter. Right here, 85 centimeters. Okay, dear student, up to 3 weeks, sunflower grew 85 centimeters. Now, you see, height of the sunflower was, right, height of the sunflower was, you see, height of the sunflower was 18 centimeters. Right here, 18 centimeters. Height of the sunflower was 18 centimeters. Okay. Now, what is the question? How many centimeters did it grow in 3 weeks? Okay, according to the question, you have to write here. In 3 weeks, it grew up, right here. In 3 weeks, sunflower grew up. In 3 weeks, sunflower grew up how much centimeter? You have to now subtract. Look, this is 5 and this is 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. So you consider 5 as a 15. 15 minus 8 equal to what? 7. Right here, 7. As you consider 5 as a 15, so you have 1 in your hand. So you add to 1. That means 1 plus 1, 2. Now you subtract 2 from 8. 8 minus 2 equal to what? 6. Right here, 6. That means we get 67 centimeters. Right here. centimeters. Now write the answer. 67 centimeters. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. Now I want to talk with you about our HW. You see, HW number 14, MB page 94. What problem? 7 number and 12th number. Okay, 7 number and 12th number. Which is solved today? You see the question number, this is the 7. You see the question number 7 and this is the question number 12. You see question number 12. Okay, you solve this 2-word problem. I hope you understood. Dear student, your assigned HW is very, very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your CT marks and SDA marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And you have to collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion and you keep practicing at home. Remember, without practicing this type of math you cannot solve properly. Okay? So you keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.